In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change the language on your iPhone from Chinese to English. If your phone is set to Chinese and you don't understand it, don't worry. I will guide you step by step. It's easy once you know where to look. To get started, find and open the Settings app on your iPhone. The Settings icon looks like a gear cog. Once you've found the Settings app, go ahead and tap on it. Now that you're inside the Settings app, scroll down a bit. Here, you'll see several options listed. Look for an option that also has a gear icon next to it. This is the General Settings. Tap on it. In the General Settings menu, scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option with a globe icon next to it. This is the Language and Region option. Go ahead and tap on it. In the Language and Region menu, tap here. This allows you to select your preferred language. Simply select English from the list of available languages. After selecting English, there will be a prompt asking for confirmation of your choice. Tap on the first option. This confirms your choice and initiates the language change process. If there are any other languages on your device that you no longer use, they can be removed easily as well. To do this, tap Edit at the top right corner of the Languages menu. Next, look for a minus button next to any unwanted languages and tap it. Tap Delete to confirm. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.